Making pants for my nieces and nephews, part 4. This time I'm going to make some shorts. I'm going to use the rest of the fabric I had left over and use this pattern to make them. So we're just going to measure and cut out all your pieces. And you want to sew them all together and top stitch them so they're all nice. You can put them together and make sure they match up. And you can use your rotary cutter and your ruler to make sure you got good straight lines. And look at that, nice and clean. And then you want to match up the two pieces that are facing each other like that with a good size spacing. Pin it here to here. Then it'll look something like this with both sides pinned. And then you want to go take it to the sewing machine and sew only on this side. Then you'll have them looking like this. Then you want to put your right sides together and pin on the outside. And then in this middle piece right here, you want to make sure this part is matching up so everything is correct. And then you want to go ahead and sew everything. You want to hem your bottom and then make your elastic part for your waist. Then you can get a bobby pin or whatever and just put it through, and then voila. Here's the front side. I think they're so cute. And this is the back side. These are some patchwork shorts. Can't wait till they wear them.